Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by assembling every identifying detail you can. Your Kucoin account email, Kucoin UID, and the last login date you remember. Export or copy recent transaction ID, deposit addresses, and exact dollar amounts for any recent deposits or withdrawals to show activity. Note whether you used Google Authenticator or SMS2FA, your phone number, and every device or IP address used. This preparation shortens verification time and gives support the specifics they need to validate ownership quickly and accurately. Open a ticket in Kucoin support and select Account Recovery or Account Access. Be concise and factual in the subject line. Attach a government ID plus a selfie holding a dated paper with your email or UID written legibly, and make sure the photo is well lit and unedited. In the ticket body, paste your prepared transaction ID, Kucoin UID, device and IP information, recent balances or dollar amounts, and describe whether 2FA was lost, phone stolen, or credentials compromised to accelerate the review. After ticket submission, expect an initial response and verification window of 24-72 hours, while Kucoin reviews your documents and activity. Once access is restored, immediately reset your password, remove old 2FA methods, set up Google Authenticator anew, enable login SMS, and add IP and withdrawal whitelists to prevent replay attacks. If you suspect theft or unauthorized withdrawals, note exact dollar losses and report to local law enforcement with your support ticket number and transaction ID for formal investigation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.